I can do slow-mo to my video with YouCut. Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to do a slow-mo and easy way to your video with YouCut. Now we need to go to YouCut and we select our video like this video. I can check just this and we go to speed and we do 0.3x like this, and we have to add effects. Its name is beat or another effect like this. We have many options like that, and also we can not use the the speed. We can just be normal and we use just that effect or that. Like you see, we have a professional video slow-mo. That's all for this video. Subscribe in our channel and like it the video.